Hey guys, Chuck here, brand new vegan. I'm going to show you the easiest way I know to make the best corn you've ever had. Microwave, whole thing, stock, silk, everything, 4 minutes. Sounds weird, gotta try it. When it comes out, be careful, it's going to be hot. Grab a towel, something to wrap it in. Plop that down on your cutting board. Leave all that silk alone. Turn it around to the stalk and cut off the end of that stalk. All that silk is attached to the stalk. Once you cut that off, all you gotta do is plop out the perfect ear of corn. You gotta do some squeezing. It's gonna be hot. Get a towel. But push that corn out and you'll be amazed. No silk, no hairs, no mess, no nothing. Just perfect, beautiful corn. Look at that. If you actually unwrap all of that husk, you can see the silk is still inside. Wasn't it easy? And then prepare it however you like. Me, I like a little tahini. Thanks. See you next time.